What if I told you that you could become a millionaire, using less money than you spend on your daily coffee and snacks? Today, we are putting two people in a race to $1 million. Player 1 will save $10 every single day. Player 2 will also use $10 a day, but he's going to invest it. This is saving versus the power of compound interest. Let the race begin. After 1 year, Player 1 has saved $3,650. Player 2 has invested and now has over $4,000. A small lead. But now, we fast forward 5 years. Player 1 has $18,250. Not bad. But Player 2 now has almost $25,000. The gap is getting bigger. This is where it gets crazy. Let's jump forward 20 years. Player 1, saving his $10 a day, now has $73,000. But Player 2, his money has been compounding, and he now has over $300,000. The race is almost over. Who will get to $1 million first? After 35 years, Player 2 crosses the finish line. It took him 35 years to turn $10 a day into $1 million. And Player 1, who just saved? He is still years away from that goal. This is the secret the rich don't want you to know. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how early you start. Your race to $1 million doesn't start with $1,000. It starts with your first 10. Subscribe if you want to learn more secrets to building wealth.